Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Poshmark application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Poshmark. Once you find the application, you can tap on it and then you will be able to find the install button. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the Poshmark application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application and start shopping right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Poshmark application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.